In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully uninstall BlueStacks from your PC 2025. So to do this, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then just look up Control Panel just like so. Then go ahead and press on Open. Then look for the option that does say Programs and Features and go ahead and press on that. Then in this list, you want to go ahead and locate BlueStacks. So yep, here it is. So let's go ahead and press on it, and then let's go ahead and press on uninstall. And then let's go ahead and just give it confirmation to uninstall. And then it is going to give us something that does look like this. So you can go ahead and press on uninstall one more time. Then go ahead and press on uninstall. And there you go. It will say completed. However, it is not done yet. Now, it is going to say that it did uninstall BlueStacks, but that's not actually the case. We still need to go ahead and do more steps. So if you see BlueStacks services over here, then you want to go ahead and right click on it, then press on uninstall, and then just wait for it to actually start uninstalling. All right, there you go. And once you're done with that, we can now proceed to the next step because unfortunately, we are not done yet. So next up we need to do is we need to go to the search bar one more time, and we need to go ahead and search up this application called Run. Let's go ahead and press on that, and then go ahead and press on open. Then inside of the text box, you want to put a % symbol. Then you want to go ahead and enter program and then data, and then another % symbol just like so. Then go ahead and press on open. Then it is going to open up a menu that does look like this. All right, so once you're here, you might get a folder that does say BlueStacks. If you do see that folder, then you want to go ahead and right click on it, and then you want to go ahead and just press on delete. However, I do not see that folder over here. So yeah, if the folder does not appear over here, do not worry because that is actually a good thing. However, if you do see the BlueStacks folder in this list, then you want to go ahead and uninstall it. All right, once you're done with that, we now need to go ahead and delete the temporary files that BlueStacks did create. So in order to do this, you want to go to the search bar again, and then you want to open up Run one more time, and then this time you want to enter in this command, % symbol temp, and then another % symbol like so. Then go ahead and press on OK, and now it is going to open up a folder that does look like this. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll and look through the list and see if you do find a folder that is called BlueStacks. If you see a BlueStacks folder, then you want to go ahead and right click on it and delete on it. Now fortunately, I don't actually see the BlueStacks folder over here, so I don't need to do this step. However, if you do see that there is a BlueStacks folder over here, then you want to go ahead and uninstall that. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to remove the registry entry. In order to do that, all we need to do is we need to open up the Run application one more time, and this time we need to go ahead and enter in the command regedit. Once you're done with that, go ahead and press on OK, and you might get a pop-up that will ask you if you want to give regedit permission. So just go ahead and press on yes, and once you're done with that, it is now going to open up a folder that does look something like this. So you want to make sure that the folder that says H key and then local machine is actually selected. Then we need to go ahead and locate the software folder. So let's go ahead and press on that and expand it. And then we're going to get a long list that does look like this. Now in this list, you want to go ahead and locate BlueStacks. And if you do see BlueStacks, then all you want to do is you want to right click on it. Then you want to go ahead and press on delete. Now, fortunately, I don't actually see the registry anywhere. However, if you do see like a folder that does say BlueStacks, you want to go ahead and delete it. And once you're done with that, you have now officially fully uninstalled BlueStacks on your computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.